for the sprawl?
Speed it up. We still got half a ton on our quota before we can all go home for the day.
Stable in public sector 3?
Environment screen on Sector 6 is still experiencing problems, and residents are preparing a petition. Tethers in place. Mining charges ready.
Environment check. Stable in public sector 1.
All right, crew relief's here. Let's go home, guys. Just another beautiful day on the sprawl. Audio log rig number 438642. I've been selected for a secret mission down in the core systems on the shore. I hope I can do them proud. Hope and be praised.
Hello guys, this is Despay working in a Motorola G6 Play. Give a likes to this video and subscribe if you want. And I'm gonna upload the another video with the file on it, showing how to install, and hopefully it works for your phones, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.